Justice Barrett's confirmation gives Republicans a 6-3 majority on the Supreme Court.
That is one of the reasons why Democrats, of course, tried to stop it. A handful of protesters demonstrating in Niagara Square tonight, dressed like the characters in the Hulu series The Handmaid's Tale. Tonight, Nikki Dementri takes an in-depth look at the critical role the Supreme Court could play in the race for the White House.
Election lawsuits from nearly every state are piling up as the election nears, and many center on absentee ballots. The Supreme Court ruled on Monday that absentee ballots in Wisconsin that are received after Election Day will not be counted. And Republicans also want the court to reconsider a ruling in battleground state Pennsylvania. The latest ruling there says absentee votes will be counted if they are received by next Friday.
Now, when you're talking about something like a presidential election, it is really 50 state elections. With few exceptions, the states really are in the driver's seat with respect to how things are run.
This has some looking at a potential case of deja vu from 2000.
Congress ending a topsy-turvy, bitter presidential race, the closest in 124 years.
Political expert and UB associate professor Jacob NEIHEISEL says that could happen, but it's not as likely.
If the polling is correct, I do think that it is going to be more of a statement in the Biden direction. Again, if the polls are correct, and there are some reasons to believe why they might get it right this time and not 2016.
In 2000, the Supreme Court ruled George W. Bush won Florida and the election. NEIHEISEL says that ruling changed how America handles elections forever.
Speaking as a political scientist, it actually opened up a whole new field within the study of election administration that didn't exist prior to 2000.
Traditionally, NEIHEISEL says the Supreme Court shies away from weighing in on elections, partly to stay out of politics.
For the most part, the extent to which the Supreme Court has any role to play at all when it comes to voting rights, elections, is through something like the 14th Amendment. And so we have seen in recent years, we have seen the court take a somewhat active role in these questions.
Nikki Dementri, 7 Eyewitness News.